Let's dive into more the technology side of things now. What's your view on, working with one vendor versus multiple vendors, and how do you manage all of those complexity?
Yeah, it's been that's a great topic, and I think it's been really prevalent lately. And there's been some great movements in China breaking the software from the hardware and kind of that vendor lock. We work as a managed service provider. There's the networks that we like to build, and then there's the networks our owners want us to build, and there's the ones that our team is the most trained in. So we've got several different vendor platforms that we operate today that really kind of hit the price points and the requirements, the broadest requirements that our customers ask us for. So we're able to deliver a really premium, high level, hardware experience, great software, great onboarding, even to, mid range and even to a very much more cost effective where, we're shooting for 100 meg type Wi-Fi, not, 300, 500 meg type Wi-Fi. And, the density is not the same. So, we're talking about, we constantly are evaluating what are the platforms we have. How do we aggregate that data so that when I'm in vendor A and I have vendor B and I have vendor C, they're in a single pane of glass, or my team is trained in one way to operate all three of them in the same way. So it comes down to training, vendor support, and looking at your software and your systems platforms to aggregate that data together.
Okay.